Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI 12X, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So before we get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device and the box, somewhere between paperwork. But you can also use a paper clip, tighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So grab one of those, either one, and from there, if you have some kind of cover, as you seen like I did, you want to take it off, and then to pop out the tray, you will want to locate where the tray is, which is at the bottom of the device on the right side of it. And you will have two pinholes, as you can see right here. Make sure you utilize the one that is part of this cutout. So there we go. Push the tray, or push the pin in, and the tray should pop out. And as you can see here, you have space for only 2 SIM cards from either side. You can occupy both of them or one of them, it's completely up to you, and it doesn't really matter which side you choose. And from there we can pop it back in. And as you can see, the card immediately starts working because it's prompting me to put in my SIM pin. So I'm going to quickly confirm with that. And there we go, that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.